Hey, Daddy. We thought you might be missing Rafe and Lila, so Rafe's going to show you his funny new joke. Funny joke, Rafe. Do your funny joke. I'll put the headband on. Lila, he's doing it again. Put your headband on, Rafe. Ah, pretty! So pretty, Rafe. Turn this way. Let me see that pretty face. Oh, it's gorgeous. That's gorgeous. Yeah. Oh, thank you for Mama. For Mama? Yeah. Okay, Rafe's turn. Rafe's joke. That's tricky, huh? Here you go. Here you go. Oh, no, let him do it himself. It's very funny when he does that. That was nice, Rafe. Here you go. You got it? Put your head. Oh, it's pretty. That's a funny joke, Rafe. That's a funny joke. Lila, say hi to Daddy.